I have been hounded for my beautiful Choco Chip cake. But I've done it so often that I'm kind of bored of it and looking to experiment. So for the very first time, I'm taking some gorgeous red cherry brandy, lacing it in my beautiful Choco Chip cake and creating a kind of modern twisted version of a baked black forest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I get to creating it. So when experimenting, you have to keep the principle simple. So this follows a marble cake, all equal quantities, 500 grams of salted yellow butter, along with 500 grams of superfine sugar or the beautiful castor sugar goes into my mixing bowl. Blend away. A good 5 minutes later, and the moment you see it getting light and airy, it's time to start dropping in eggs one at a time, 8 of them. So in goes one and allow it to emulsify. Now for that rich burgundy red cherry brandy, nearly 3/4 of a cup going in. Now if you do not have this, you can go right ahead and use some orange liqueur or just some good old-fashioned rum. With all the wet ingredients well emulsified, it's now time to mix in the dry ingredients. So out here I've got 500 grams of refined flour, sifted twice, along with 4 teaspoons of this gorgeous leavening agent, that's the baking powder. And into that goes in nearly 500 grams of dark chocolate, 54% into that, chunks as well. And now all you need to do is mix it really well together. You want the chips to be well coated in flour so that it lays suspended in the cakey emulsion. Now do not be alarmed if your cake mixture is curdled because it will emulsify with the flour. Divide it into 3 parts and put it right in. Into a lightly greased and dusted with flour cake tin they go. Into a preheated oven these go at 180 degrees centigrade for just about 50 to 55 minutes. You need to check that a skewer comes out nice and clean. Now, although this cake tastes divine warm, you need to cool it down because the only way that the chocolate sets in it is when it is perfectly cooled down.